Good morning to each and everyone present here today. I, Oishidwa Thakurta, take my stand here, not only to deliver a speech, but to offer something which is deeply rooted in my heart, importance of social justice and equality. I was 12 when I was touched inappropriately. Wherever I go, I'm always asked to sit separately because of my caste. No one ever said it directly, but I could feel it. This is what my experience is on social justice and equality. Equality, a word that echoes through centuries, finds its roots in the Latin term equalitas, meaning similarity. But today, it encompasses fairness, justice, and dignity for all, regardless of caste, creed, race, gender, class, or ability. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity, and that's why we are here today. To speak, to listen, and to stand up for something that belongs to all of us. Yet, as we gather here, we must confront a harsh reality that the very idea of equality often drowns in silence. A very famous song by Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Destino parore, ahonko zanore, which means that the river flows by large population who are oppressed and suppressed, but no one actually notices or hears the sufferings around it. And this is so relevant because we speak of equality with such confidence as if repeating the word enough times will make it real. But ask a Dalit student why education was denied to him. Ask a woman what equality feels like when she was alone at night. It's a shame that you are enacting the drama of celebrating 132 years of birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar. Because we have built statues of Ambedkar tall enough to touch the sky, but buried his vision, his ideas in silence. A very famous incident of Dr. Ambedkar's life, where he and his brother was denied to drink water from a water pot kept for the upper caste. But he drank and the history changed. Years later, in New India, when untouchability and caste-based inequalities is abolished, a 9-year-old boy in Rajasthan died days after he was assaulted by his teacher. What was his crime? His crime was that he touched the water pot kept for the upper caste. इतिहास बदली, संविधान बदला, पर मानसिकता वही रह गई। क्योंकि हमने जात पात और धर्म के नाम पर सिखाए नफरत बच्चों को, वरना खून तो एक ही रंग का है, तो फिर क्यों ये फर्क है? Yes, why is this difference? Because equality is not a slogan, it's a revolution. And revolution don't come served with biryani. We need to leave our comfort zone and fight for it. So if equality is the dream, then social justice is the fight. Social justice entails fairness. It entails breaking the barriers that suppress us. It's not just an idea, it's a reality. And it is up to us, the younger generation, that the truth shines brighter than the darkness surrounding us. Let me ask you all, when you see discrimination, do you stand up or do you stay silent? Because silence in the face of injustice is not neutrality, it is complicity. So today, I urge you to be loud, be proud, and be just. Let us create a world beginning right in our school where every voice is heard, everyone is respected, and no one is ever made to feel less. While I conclude, I will speak with conviction. Na insaf manga hai, na bheek. We want what's ours. Samta, Nyay, Swabhiman. Jai Bharat.